remember that night when you first came along. Two little stars shining bright and strong. With a heart so full I held you tight. My two little boys, my guiding light. Oh, my sons, you mean the world to me. In this life, your love sets me free. I've worked these hands down to the bone to give you a life and a loving home. From the first cry to your first steps, every moment's a treasure, nothing I regret. Through the hard times and the good, I did my best like a father should. Oh, my sons, you mean the world to me. In this life, your love sets me free. I've worked these hands down to the bone to give you a life and a loving home. When the storms came, I held you near with a whisper, promise to calm your fears. Through sweat and toil, come what may, I'd do it all again every single day. Now you're grown, making your own way, but in my heart you'll always stay. My pride, my joy, my endless love. You're my greatest gift from heaven above. Oh, my sons, you mean the world to me. In this life, your love sets me free. I've worked these hands down to the bone to give you a life and a loving home. With every sunset, every dawn, I thank the Lord for the day you were born. My two sons, forever in my heart. No matter the distance, we'll never be apart.